Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monisha Raj. I hope you are all doing well. So guys, as I told you guys in my last video that I will be coming up with a DIY video in my next video. Today I have come up with a DIY video that is 6 amazing face masks for your face during winters. So guys, winter is going on. So your face will be dry, dehydrated, there will be no glow and face mask for winters in market is really pricey, so that's why I've come up with this easy peasy DIY mask that you can just do it in 1 minute, whichever the ingredients is available in your home. So guys, this is really effective. I've tried each and everything and everything has worked for me. Some have worked really well for me, some have worked normal to me. So that's why please do uh, try, test, and later just stick to one face mask, or else you can just use all the face masks. So for few people something will work, so for few people some ingredients doesn't work. So please do a patch test before you apply the face mask, so that will be easier for you guys and there won't be any, if you have any allergic to any products also, you'll get to know in patch test. So please do that. And guys, I'll tell you each and every products benefits also. So before I tell you the benefits of the products, I'll show you guys the mask. So guys, without a further ado, let's get and see how the masks are done. Okay guys, so first face mask is this honey, oat and curd face mask. For this I'm just mixing everything. Here I have taken oats and I've just pounded it a little bit. So I'll be taking that, and I'm taking honey also a little bit. I'm adding a little bit of curd, just a bit, that's all. And I'll just mix this and you can just apply this on your face, you guys. That's all. It's really very easy. So for next, you guys, I've taken a banana and curd, milk and honey. You can either use any of this or you can use both, and here I'll be using both. So first I'm taking banana, and as it is big banana, I won't be using the whole thing. I'll just be using half of it, and I'll just smash this. Just smash this with a fork, and you just take the banana as ripe as it is. So guys, try to take ripe bananas. It is not ripe, so that's why it was little bit difficult to smash it. And ripe banana also will be really good, so try to take that. I didn't got ripe banana, so here I'll just take 1 spoon of milk, that's all. I'll be using curd more. I'll be using 2 to 3 spoons of curd over here. So now I'm just mixing everything. This is the mask. You can just use this, or you can also add oats to this. It will be really good. So next, you guys, it is really very easy. So you just need honey and milk. You can either use a milk or a milk powder, you guys, or you can use both. In this case I'll be just using both for you guys. So this, just take how much milk powder you just need for your face. To this I'll be adding little bit of honey. Obviously this honey doesn't make a good milk. You can just add a little bit of milk just for the paste. So here I use milk powder so that we should get a consistency of face mask. So that's why I've used a milk powder instead of milk. You can obviously just use milk and honey. That also acts great as a face mask. Guys, next is really super easy. You can just take olive oil a little bit. This is for really very dry skin people, you guys. You can just take little bit of olive oil and You can add little bit of honey to it. You can just mix it, apply it to your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and that's all. Remember, this is for really dry skin people. Next is really very effective for all skin types, or for dry skin types is really good. It is a good moisturizer. Take a little bit of ghee, you guys. So to that you can just add little bit of honey to it, and dry skin people can just use this. That's all. Just mix this and use it directly. That's what I told. Instead of olive oil, you can just use ghee. It acts as a really good humectant and moisturizer, so you can just use this as it is. I have here multani mitti, so I'm adding. So people who have oily skin, they can just go with this face mask. This is really good. I just forgot one more thing to add in this, the turmeric. You can just add a pinch of turmeric to this, and people who have drier skin also, they can also use turmeric. People who have oily skin, obviously turmeric is really good. So just oily skin people can add sandalwood or multani mitti to this. That's all. Sorry, I thought while shooting this was going on. So here I've taken coffee powder, cocoa powder, and I've added little bit of honey, and to this I'll be adding little bit of milk. I just need this much of consistency for it. I mean, you can just add how much ever consistency you want to apply to my face. I just need this much of the consistency. So guys, you just saw the masks out. They are done. Now I'll tell you the you know benefits and how those ingredients work in your face. So as you can see that I have used honey in all the face masks. So what honey does is, honey works great as your exfoliate. Honey has some exfoliating agents, so it removes your dead skin cells easily without scrubbing. And also honey soothes your skin. It is good for acne prone skin also, and it is good for dry skin also, because it gives proper moisturization to both the skin how much ever it is needed. And also honey has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property, and it also repairs the sunburn. And next, curd acts as an anti-aging property, you guys. It gives it takes out the wrinkles and dryness. It gives proper amount of moisturization. If you use curd frequently, it takes out your wrinkles also, and it helps in soothing the acne, and it helps in reducing the marks of your skin also. Next is milk. So basically guys, milk as a AHA product, which is really good for exfoliating and cleansing your face. It takes all the dirt from your pores deeply, so, and it gives a good amount of moisturization. So if you feel like your skin has lot of dirt and you have to cleanse your face, please use milk. And have you observed that, in many cleansers they have included milk also? So milk as AHA ingredient which helps in cleansing your face and exfoliating your face, and it deep cleanses your pores. I've used oats. So oats also acts as an anti-aging property, and it soothes your skin for acne people, and it gives a good amount of moisturization. And next is banana. Wow, it is an amazing product for people who have dry skin. It gives a great moisturization and it gives amazing glow, you guys. I mean, like, people who are very dry, please go with this banana face mask. It really give a good result for you guys. And I use milk powder, you guys. Milk and milk powder do the same thing. It has the same properties. That's why I've used milk powder. If you can, you can just skip that, as I told you. And olive oil. Olive oil is really great ingredient for your face. It gives a glow, it gives proper amount of moisturization, and it has a soothing effect also. It um, soothes your skin, and whatever the sunburn have happened, it repairs that also. So people who have extremely dry skin, they can go with olive oil and honey face mask. That really helps. And next, ghee is an amazing uh, product for your skin. You guys, you can just go with it. It has anti-aging properties. It gives a good moisturization. I mean, like very good moisturization, and it gives a glow. What not? Ghee has really amazing benefits for winter. And turmeric also, it has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. It is good for your skin, and it takes out the marks. And I've used multani mitti, guys, that is only for oily skin. And that multani mitti is really good for oily skin people, because it takes out all the oil secretion. It reduces the oil secretion also, and it clears the pores also. It takes out all the dirt in your pores. So multani mitti is really good for oily skin people. Next, my favorite is coffee. Oh god, coffee does amazing work to your skin, you guys. It is anti-aging property. Yes, it reduces your wrinkles and whatever the marks are there in your face. It reduces that. It gives a good moisturization to your face, and exfoliates your skin really well. And it gives amazing result. You just try it, that too with cocoa powder. What combination I did, that just gives amazing power result. Cocoa powder, you, as you guys know, chocolate has really amazing benefits. It detans your face, and it gives glow to your face. It brightens your face. So cocoa powder has amazing benefits. Please try this combination, guys. Last combination which I showed you guys, that is my one of my favorite mask. I always do that. I mean, whenever I use that today, I mean, yesterday also I used, you can just see the glow in my face. I really love that. So, yes, guys, that's all for this video. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, please give a like to this video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon button next to subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you guys will get a notification. And please do share this video as much as you can possible, guys. I'll meet you guys in my next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.